Hey, what's up everybody? It's AJ here, and today we're diving into the world of Azure Power Apps. Imagine easily creating custom apps without being a coding wizard. That's what Power Apps is all about. It's a game changer for businesses of all sizes, empowering anyone to build apps that solve real-world problems. Power Apps is part of the Microsoft Power Platform, a suite of tools designed to make your life easier. This platform includes Power BI, Power Automate, and Power Virtual Agents, all working together seamlessly. It's all about democratizing app development, putting the power in your hands. No longer do you need to rely solely on IT departments or professional developers. Whether you're a business user, a department head, or even a CEO, Power Apps has something for you. One of the coolest things about Power Apps is its drag and drop interface. You don't need to be a coding guru to build awesome apps. The platform is designed to be user-friendly and approachable, even for beginners. It's like building with digital Lego blocks. You can piece together different components to create something truly unique and functional. You can quickly create user-friendly interfaces, connect to various data sources, and automate workflows. This means you can integrate your apps with existing systems and data, making them even more powerful. So, if you're ready to unleash your inner app developer and transform your business processes, buckle up. In this crash course, we'll explore the core concepts of Power Apps, from Canvas apps to AI Builder, and even delve into advanced features like model-driven apps and portals. Together, we'll unlock the full potential of Azure Power Apps and take your skills to the next level. First up, let's talk about Canvas apps. These are a powerful tool within the Microsoft Power Platform that allow you to create custom applications with ease. Imagine a blank canvas where you can let your creativity run wild. This is the starting point for any Canvas app. That's what Canvas apps are all about. They give you the freedom to design pixel-perfect user interfaces exactly how you envision them. You can place every button, text box, and image precisely where you want it. With Canvas apps, you're in complete control. You can drag and drop elements, customize colors and fonts, and create a truly unique look and feel for your app. It's like having a digital design studio at your fingertips. But Canvas apps aren't just about looks. They're also incredibly powerful. The functionality you can build into these apps is extensive. You can connect them to a wide range of data sources, from SharePoint lists to SQL databases and even external APIs. This connectivity allows your app to pull in data from various sources and present it in a cohesive manner. This means you can build apps that interact with real-time data and provide valuable insights. Imagine having a dashboard that updates in real time with the latest sales figures or inventory levels. Whether you're creating a simple expense tracker or a complex inventory management system, Canvas apps provide the flexibility and control you need. You can tailor the app to meet the specific needs of your business or project. So, if you're ready to unleash your inner designer and build visually stunning apps, Canvas apps are the way to go. Now let's switch gears and talk about model-driven apps. Unlike Canvas apps, which give you complete design freedom, model-driven apps are all about structure and data. They provide a more guided approach to app development, focusing on the underlying data and business processes. They're built on top of the Common Data Service, which acts like a central hub for all your business data. This service ensures that all your data is stored in a standardized format, making it easier to manage and integrate. Think of model-driven apps as pre-built frameworks tailored for specific business processes. These frameworks come with built-in functionalities that cater to various business needs, reducing the time and effort required to develop an app from scratch. They come with predefined data models, forms, and views, making it super easy to get started. You don't have to worry about designing the layout or structure, it's all taken care of for you. It's like having a head start in a race. You can focus on customizing the app to fit your specific needs, rather than building everything from the ground up. One of the key advantages of model-driven apps is their focus on data integrity. Since they're built on top of the Common Data Service, they enforce data validation rules and relationships, ensuring that your data is always accurate and consistent. This helps in maintaining high data quality across your organization. Another great thing about model-driven apps is their responsiveness. They are designed to adapt to different screen sizes and devices, providing a seamless user experience. They automatically adjust to different screen sizes, making them perfect for use on desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. This ensures that your app is accessible and functional, no matter where you are or what device you're using. So if you're looking for a structured and data-centric approach to app development, model-driven apps are the way to go. They offer a robust and efficient solution for businesses looking to streamline their processes and improve data management. Section 4. Power Apps Portals. Next up, let's talk about Power Apps Portals. Imagine creating a website or a customer-facing application without writing a single line of code. That's the power of Power Apps Portals. Portals allow you to extend your business processes and data to external users such as customers, partners, or even the general public. You can create secure login experiences, personalize content, and even enable online transactions. One of the key benefits of using portals is their seamless integration with the rest of the Power Platform. You can easily connect your portal to data stored in the CDS, automate workflows with Power Automate, and even embed Power BI reports for real-time analytics. Whether you're looking to build a self-service knowledge base, a customer support portal, or even an e-commerce website, Power Apps Portals provide a powerful and user-friendly solution. Section 5. Connecting to data with connectors. Now let's talk about the glue that holds everything together in the Power Platform connectors. Connectors are like pre-built bridges that allow your apps to communicate with different data sources. Power Apps comes with a vast library of connectors for popular services like SharePoint, OneDrive, Dynamics 365, Salesforce, and many more. And the best part? Microsoft is constantly adding new connectors, so the possibilities are endless. With connectors, you can easily pull data from different sources, combine it in meaningful ways, and display it in your apps. For example, you could create an app that shows customer data from Salesforce alongside their order history from Shopify, all in one place. Connectors are the backbone of Power Apps, enabling you to create truly connected and data-driven applications. So whether you're working with data in the cloud or on-premises, connectors have got you covered. In this chapter, we will explore Power Automate and AI Builder, two powerful tools that enhance the capabilities of Azure Power Apps. Power Automate allows you to automate workflows between your apps and services, while AI Builder enables you to add AI capabilities to your apps without writing any code. Let's dive in and see how these tools can help you streamline your processes and make your apps smarter. Pause 2S. Power Automate, previously known as Microsoft Flow, is a service that helps you create automated workflows between your favorite apps and services to synchronize files, get notifications, collect data, and more. Imagine being able to automatically send an email notification every time a new item is added to SharePoint, or instantly update your CRM records when a new lead is generated. With Power Automate, these scenarios and many more are possible with just a few clicks. Pause 2S. Now, let's talk about AI Builder. This tool allows you to build and train AI models that can be integrated into your apps. For example, you can use AI Builder to create a model that recognizes text in images, predicts future outcomes based on historical data, or even analyzes customer sentiment from feedback forms. The best part is, you don't need any coding skills to use AI Builder. You can leverage pre-built models or create your own custom models using a simple, intuitive interface.